Welcome, today in front of me Realme 9 and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first we should go into the settings application and after that click on the sounds and vibration. After that we can see here the ringtone volume panel. Now just to unmute our device ringtone we should swipe to the left right side with our finger this dot. Also we have the second way how we can do that by press up or down volume button, but first be sure that in advanced settings here in volume button function we have selected the ringtone volume, not media. And now just by press up volume button we can also unmute our device ringtone, and we can do it by the third way. Just press the volume button here and slide with your finger to the up this volume panel, and by this way we can also unmute our device ringtone. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.